Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Dinosaur M.Star, a mid-tower case that's making waves with its open frame design. If you're looking to showcase your components and maximize airflow, this might be the case for you. The M.Star supports micro ATX and mini IDX motherboards, making it versatile for different build sizes. The open frame design isn't just for looks, it really helps with cooling. The case features tempered glass panels on the front and sides, offering a crystal-clear view of your components while still providing a layer of protection. Cooling is a key focus with the M.Star. It supports graphics cards up to 364mm in length, so most modern cards should fit without issue. For CPU cooling, you can mount up to a 240mm water radiator or dual 120mm fans on top, and there's also a spot for a 120mm fan or radiator on the rear. This ensures your system stays cool, even during intense gaming sessions. The ARGB lighting is another highlight. The M.Star features customizable ARGB lighting that's compatible with motherboard synchronization. This means you can easily match the case's lighting with the rest of your components, creating a cohesive and visually stunning build. For DIY enthusiasts, the M.Star offers a tool-free assembly process. The panels are easily removable, making upgrades and maintenance quick and hassle-free. This is a huge plus for anyone who likes to tinker with their system. The case also includes a USB-C port, which is a welcome addition for modern connectivity. The power supply mounts at the bottom, a standard but effective design choice. Overall, the Dinosaur M.Star is a well-designed case that offers a great balance of aesthetics, cooling performance, and ease of use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.